Okay, let's give you guys some more practice here. Find out the equation for this line, and remember the intercept is not it doesn't pass through a whole number, so bear that in mind. So press pause and have a go. Okay, with any straight line, it has to take this form here: y equals mx plus c. So first step is to find out the gradient. You could use any triangle. Let's just use this one here. So here it's always the gradient. So it's always the height divided by the width. So the height is 3, the width is 2, and note that it's a negative gradient. It's going downhill. So the gradient is 3 over 2, and because it's going downhill, stick a minus in there. So the gradient is given by minus 3 over 2. So it would be minus 3 x over 2. And then we've got to plus c. Now we don't know what the intercept is, so here, now select one point anywhere on the line, and we could use any point here. We could use this one, but then this one has a negative here. Avoid negatives if you can. This one here has a negative. This one here has a negative here too. Well, anyway, if you select this point here, it would be x would be 1. And y will be 1. So it's a nice neat point. So at this point here, let's x will be 1, y will be 1. So let's put this. Hang on, let me just clean this up. Bear with me. So now at this point here, x is 1. So let's put this into the x here. And then y is 1 as well. So let's put this into the y here. So we are trying to find out c. Okay, we are trying to find out c. So this is just a technique to find out c. You select a point on the line. It could be anywhere on the line as long as it's on the line. So here we are putting 1 into the y. So 1 goes into the y, and then this one here goes into the x. Okay, so minus 3 times 1 would be minus 3, and then you've got the over 2 here, plus c. Okay, now you've got this block, and then this block plus this block here. Note that this is negative, so to get rid of this block, you add 3 over 2 to both sides. Okay, so add 3 over 2 to both sides. So on this side, it will be hang on, let me jump over here. I'm going to jump over here. So let's take this block down. So that will be 1, and then we've got to add 3 over 2. Add this block to both sides. Okay, because this is a negative, and then on this side it will be c. Okay, so c equals 1 plus 3 over 2. Well, I'm going to visualize a 1 as 2 over 2 plus 3 plus this block here. Okay, so this block here is the same as the 1 here. Okay, and this block here is the same as this block here. So now add the 2 together because the 2 denominators are the same. So it would be 5 over 2 equals c. So c equals 5 over 2. So let's put 5 over 2 into the c up here. Okay, so the equation of the line is, well, actually, put it into here. So let's just rub this out. What was it? C equals 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Okay, because you've got a minus here and a plus here, let's switch these two blocks around. I know it's getting messy, bear with me. So y equals, rather than having minus this block here and then plus this block, let's put the plus in front. So it would be 5 over 2 minus 3x over 2. So it looks a lot neater rather than having y equals minus 3x over 2 plus 5 over 2. Because, well, do it like this. It's neater rather than having this uncomfortable minus in front. Well, anyway, now the two denominators are the same. We can merge. So it would be 5 minus 3x. So the equation for the line above is given by this. Okay? Okay, it's given by that.